her I was finna get rid of her. She cooked the best chicken ever today. And I was finna get her out of the bottom. Look, baby, she showed up. She can stay now.
I didn't even know. I had to get the money for the rent. I had to get the money somehow. I had to get the money for the rent. Come on. I had to get the money for the rent. Which you had to get the money for? For the rent. Ooh, she had to get the light bill. Who's gonna be that boy? She burn the candles. One ain't gonna be no. What was gonna be? How we gonna be? What? Ooh, burn the candles. Ooh, burn the candles.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
What's up, Queenie Babies? Welcome back to another video. Alright, y'all, so it is Monday after a very long weekend. Very fun weekend, very exciting weekend. I know y'all seen my last vlog, honey, and it was lit, okay? If you did not check that video out, go ahead and check it out right now. I'll go ahead and insert it right here. Go watch that, baby, and then come back, okay? So anyway, y'all, so I have to go to work tonight. I'm not doing nothing really around the house, but I have some renovations getting started, so I'm going to go show you guys how that's coming along and then explain to y'all what we're going to be having going on in our house. So let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so right now our house is a 3-bedroom 2-bath, but we needed a 4th bedroom for our kids, our growing children. So we're going to make the den, because we have 3 bedrooms in a den. So like the den is going to be now a 4th bedroom. So of course it already has a window. So we're going to add a door and we're going to convert the linen closet into a closet. So it's going to be so much fun. It's going to be so nice. I don't plan on staying here for too much longer. Hopefully me and my husband hope that this year, if we're not already in the new house before the year's up, or starting the process and be in the new house by the time of next year. Either way it go, honey, this is going to be a 4th bedroom because we plan on renting it out. Let's take a look. So we're also getting the floors in this front area done, because right now it has this really cheap flooring that it was builder grade. It came with the home when we bought the home, whatever, when we got it built. But we decided to pull it up, so we're going to eventually get the floors done out here as well, maybe before we move, or it'll be one of the projects that we do down the line once we see how great this floor is done. So let's go check it out. Yeah, so these are the floors that it was originally. So we're gonna get this pulled up. He already started in the closet in this hallway. So let's go back here and check it out. So this is the door that was on the linen closet at first. So he already took it off. He took off the frame and all that kind of stuff, and the baseboard, I think that's a baseboard, the racks that was in there. So yeah, so let's go check out what he got going on in the closet. So right here, so this was the linen closet, and now he has already cut the hole through the wall. He did it so neatly, like I'm just admiring the work. He neatly cut the hole out. So he's going to be adding the drywall to this side, of course, and closing it up. And I'm going to have to get some more of the paint that's this color so we can paint over it. So yes, so then, yeah. So that's how it's looking. And y'all look, this is a water bottle that the workers left behind. And it looked like, yes, this is what they just be leaving stuff any kind of way, y'all. So this water bottle has been in my house since I don't know how long. The workers who built the home, the construction workers, left that. So trifling. So yes, it's coming along very well, and he's also going to be doing all the floors out here in this back area, and he's going to do the floor in the kids' bathroom. So we're going to get you guys updated. We're going to keep you guys updated and let you guys see the process and all that. it's gonna come out so nice. I already know because I picked a very good person to do the job. So of course it's gonna come out nice. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and lay down and go to sleep until he's on lunch break right now. So I'm going to go lay down, eat some cereal until he comes back. So I'll be back. What's up, y'all? It is the next day and the work is still being did. I haven't seen it today to see how far along he got. I've only seen what I showed you guys yesterday as far as so I'm about to go put these clothes in the dryer and take the chicken out that I'm gonna cook later on today, and then I'll give you guys a peek at what's going on so far and how far along he has gotten. So let's go see. Looking like right now, got that on there. This is where the sliding door is gonna go, and then he got this wall put up where the linen closet was. So, yeah. And then he got this part cut out for that door, and then we got this view. Y'all, I'm so excited. It's coming together so well. So excited. Now I'm about to get this kitchen, like the kitchen is pretty much clean, but I'm about to make some hot bleach water so I can like clean the countertops off. I'm probably gonna move some of the stuff down and clean the living room in the dining room area. So that's what this video is about to be about. So y'all already know I'm gonna light my candle and open up my blinds so we can get motivated. So yeah, let's do that. You know, my child is trifling, so am I, because why he left this on the counter? This was his breakfast sausage she had this morning. He left it right there. Did not eat it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this mess together.
Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes on my mommy floor. Always knew the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose a weight. Took a couple L's, charged it to the game. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on the M, I need one of those. Sniffing on the M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know. 95, down on 95. Up sit down to Charlotte just to see the guys. But I flex and I never lie.
Hold on, Quincy. Make sure you're not in the way. Yeah, I'm trying to clean this kitchen up. That's been nasty.
What's the handle?
I took them off so I can wash them because they're dirty.
Oil on that one.
W. Hey.
W-A-R-R-E-N.
Come on. Come on. Hey, hey. That's your name, hey. Spell your first name. Spell your first name. Hey, hey. Hey. Okay, okay. What that spell? Okay, okay. Quincy.
W-A. W-O-O.
What?
E.
A. Come on. Come on. N. A. That's your name. That's your name. Hey. Hey. W-A-R-R-E-N. Hey. That's your name. That's your name. Spell it. Spell it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Kill it.
W.
A.
W.
A.
A.
Uh-huh. What else? What else? Uh-huh.
R.
Uh-huh.
R.
Uh-huh.
E.
Uh-huh.
N.
Okay, 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 okay. Hey, spell it. Hey, spell it.
W-A.
Hey, come on.
R-R.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
N.
What's up? What's up? Ha, 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 ha. Get crazy with him. Get crazy with him. Get crazy with him. Get crazy. Ha, ha. Get crazy. Ha, ha, ha. Get crazy. That boy spelled that name. Don't play with him.
Q-U-I-N-C-Y.
Let's go. Period, Pooski. Let's go. What that spell?
Quincy.
Play with somebody else. Don't play with you.
Let me see it.
Come on, Quincy.
Alright, yeah, on my part, screw y'all. You was doing your own bit, right? So you was just gonna sit
Did you
down.
put that stuff on the shelf?
Yeah, but all that stuff, that black trash bag, that's in there.
Back up.
Got like probably like sheets or something in there.
I gotta see what it is. Show me what it is.
Alright. Who got that, bro?
Good to know. Good to know. Set it up.
His hands were playing about that homework. You know what, kid? Oh, we got his homework.
But here's the question, how would you said come show you? I was like, well, you need to look at the bag. I'll go back there.
No.
They got some more black leggings. Oh my god. A damn problem there. Ooh, strawberry steak. And I put my sock on.
Daddy put y'all on punishment. Ask Daddy when he get here what you can do. For all
Use my hot water. Oh my god.
stop saying oh your God about everything.
I said, oh my. Oh, I thought you said.
Bring me some fingers, Queen, out your room.
We're the ones going to get his jewelry.
Okay, Nisi. See ya.
Is that back to my room? I didn't see it.
Alright, y'all, stopping to cook this chicken real quick. I folded up the clothes, put some of them away, but I'm finna fry the chicken real fast. The kids cleaned up their room. I'm trying to do laundry and all that kind of stuff.
Hungry.
Okay, I'm finna make y'all sides. Give me the little red pan, a little pot. Quincy, get out the refrigerator.
You still call wet food?
Oh, my bad.
Use this other pot.
Hand me the onion powder.
The onion powder. Okay.
We're gonna be locked in. Hey, don't switch it up.
We locked in.
No, look, old lady.
They got you old lady.
Okay.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way, girl.
Girl, what we used to do back in the day, back in our day?
Girl, back in my day, I used to be swirling that girl.
Oh, we used to be on that pole.
Girl, I used to be on that pole like you.
Getting that good money.
Girl, yeah, oh, you used to get that money too.
Yeah, they couldn't tell that.
I used to be on the pole again.
Girl, I used to be almost dropped. Had to get that money for the kids, girl.
Girl, I had to get the money for them kids too, girl.
Oh, girl, you know we was 25.
Let me show you how I used to be, girl. It's girl like this. Ooh,
me to shush. Boy, you tell your daddy to shush.
Girl. I be forgetting how the kids I got. I be losing count.
Girl, me too, girl, because you know I had about 8.
Woo.
Or maybe it was 10.
Baby,
I had never stopped having them. They had to stop
boop, boop,
coming.
boop, boop, boop.
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
I had to get the money for the
I had to
rent.
get the money somehow.
I had to get the money
For the rent. Come on.
I had to get the money for the rent.
Okay.
I had to get the money for the rent.
Okay.
I had to get the money for the rent.
Uh-huh.
What you had to get the money for?
For the rent.
Ooh, she had to get
And
the
the light
money.
bill. Who's gonna be in that book?
Burn the candles.
One ain't gonna be no
What
one.
was gonna be? How we gonna be?
What?
Ooh, burn the candles.
Oh, burn the candle. Burn the flashlight. Flashlight's long.
Get the flashlight.
Battery's gone.
Get the flashlight.
Now you see, we still up in here slaving in the kitchen.
Turn to popcorn.
The kitchen ain't changed. Cooking in food salads.
Okay, so Quincy don't like Salisbury steak, so I always make his into a sandwich. This is how I used to eat mine when I was a kid. Like, I used to put it on bread. It used to be so good. Comment down below if y'all know about that life. And I made the wings, so this is how it turned out. I just shook them up inside of hot sauce, butter, and some honey. So let's make plates.
I need to show you my
chicken
plate.
or-
The chicken.
Oh, yeah, that
Yeah,
chicken.
this
good.
chicken hitting different.
The other
Ah,
chicken,
what you
I don't
doing?
know about that one.
This chicken right here hitting different. That's why I cook right.
It's good.
Man, I might have to take one of your chickens up off you, bro.
Bro, I'm finna finish this.
Dang.
Let me try this.
Stop you going ahead, you
Them little 3 pieces, mama let
This?
mommy divvy that out.
Big one.
Yeah, go ahead and have that.
No, Mom, you know, because juicy one.
Oh
Dang, Jay, you got all the meat in
goodness,
your
these
beard?
kids had their own
these
food.
kids.
Is it that good?
You like I meet my beard?
Yeah, it's right there, bro.
Okay.
How you went
Yeah,
all the
open.
way to your chin?
Oh, she ain't open,
It's right
Quincy.
there, bro. How you went all the way to your chin to your beard again? Damn, boy, that was a big bite right there.
Hey,
That's me. That's the best part. I actually gave you the
Let me
best
eat
part
your
of the
Salisbury
chicken.
steak.
We're gonna come here and eat some Salisbury steak, bro.
Man.
Now usually they don't even like the chicken.
Mommy did y'all wrong on this chicken though. I ain't gonna even lie. I am. Look, man. She showed up. She can stay now.
I would say, well, get my house renovated, you know.
Hmm?
Getting my house renovated, get me motivated.
Wow.
Make sure you eat that mac and cheese, dude. Just. That is another thing on your plate.
I'm eating everything. Not the corn.
Except for the corn.
You don't want corn?
Shut up, Jit.
I'm asking you want corn?
I told you shut up, Jit.
This is good.
I ain't gonna lie.
Ah, leave.
I'm feeling like
I'm making 100-day paper. I'm trying to make this into a poster.
Yeah, we're doing a poster for his 100 days of school. So we just take 4 pieces of paper together using the stickers. These are stickers from his birthday party, y'all. So we're just using them.
The coolest paper.
These stickers kind of hard to get off.
I'm gonna know for a second. It's not that hard.
Not that hard to use.
Yeah, I'm ready to do
I
it.
like these stickers. You can put them when you can bring it back home when you're done. You can put it on your wall or hang it on your door.
Okay. Because that's my door, and that's my room.
That's my room.
It's my room. I was born before.
I picked out the room, but
No, you picked up
I
the...
said me and Quincy could be inside.
Baby, come here.
Oh, when we was moving in.
Yeah.
You remember that? Yeah. Okay, you got some good memory. Is he in the room yet?
Mom, I think this is not whippable. Like, can you try to unrip this? Because I was trying to unrip the wrong part.
Okay, I'll help you.
I'm doing low. Nothing. Y'all supposed to
It
be
looks
doing
so
this.
good. You're doing a good job, Quincy.
I'm doing woes. I ought to be the person to make it woes. Make it look good.
Quincy, I fixed this one.
Finally! Ready to make it. I got the fireworks one. The 2 fireworks one. And
It
this
is
one.
hard to get this on. There we go.
Finally. Can say king? Oh, king. Wait.
This one look like a
King have a
poster.
genius.
This is like a magazine.
Yeah, I can do like a magazine. And this one.
This look like a comic book cover.
This one look like a comic book cover on top of this. If we take this one off, probably show the family what this one looks like.
Okay, so y'all keep working on that. Let's leave a little space, and we can write 100 days of school on here, okay?
1 day.
Yeah.
100 days of school.
So I'll be making lines around all of them.
Alright, so I don't really think I gave y'all an update of how it's looking in here right now. But he got the drywall up. Got the drywall up on this side. So this is where the door gonna go. It's gonna slide, you know, back and forth or whatever. And he got the first layer of drywall up here right here too. So this is closed. It's no longer a closet. It looks so weird. And you just go into here. And then we got the closet entrance. He started the drywall back there. So I'm gonna have to get a shelf, y'all. Like a wire shelf to hang up right there. So yeah. I guess he gonna put the floor inside of here. The floor that's gonna be out there, I guess he gonna put it in his closet. I don't know. But
Are y'all gonna take down those
that's
little
what that
thingies?
side is looking like.
Y'all gonna keep those things making.
We're gonna take those down so it could be a regular closet.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, excuse me. Sorry.
See,
I'm supposed to be saying
I
sorry.
just say first, like, you gonna put more up there?
Floor's looking like.
So,
Get into the camera where you can be seen too, King. Okay, so I can see your faces first. Oh, Quincy, do you also know what February is too? Do you know what that
Black
is?
Day.
Black History Month.
Black Taco Day. That's the right day.
Black
I don't
History
use
Month.
it
So that
like
means we get to also celebrate, you know, because it's Black Panther, so it's more blackness, so it's like celebrate Black History Month. What's wrong with me saying that, King?
Those are racist over there. You talking my king? It's you.
That shit was so.
It's not.
So now I ain't gonna have no room no more.
Right. Hey, this is fun.
Yeah, she had already started.
He started with what? He not gonna tell
there's one couple.
I just thought that, you know, Black Panther would be perfect for Black History Month.
I didn't sleep in your room tonight.
Who? I fell asleep on the couch.
I didn't sleep in your room. That's why you took it apart. You fucking.
Wait, Black Panther is not black. This is purple.
Child, she blamed it on Vegas. That room been so apart.
Mommy,
He's trying my room
Black
apart.
Panther
My
isn't
room was
black
so
in this
clean at
picture.
first.
He purple. He not black
There's
taco
nothing
in
right there
this
for you to
picture.
clean. I'm not putting
Why
it
you
up.
put it right on top of that? King, did you see that?
There's nothing right there.
It's a whole other sticker underneath it. Oh, that's a sticker. I thought that was like a sticker on top of this Wakanda Forever.
Wakanda?
Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
You forgot to
17,
do these.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. It's only 50. We need 50 more things to put on here.
Okay. I must be making art. Okay. Cool.
Once you can take it off.
How you take these off, bro?
Man, that's all the stickers. We still need 50 more things to go on here, y'all. Ooh, we got another sticker right here. Hold on
We
now.
got another sticker that's in our hand. Now I'll take it off.
These
You can
stickers
go do
are-
it.
Y'all better, never mind.
We could draw pictures
Y'all
too.
better draw some stickers. You see these?
Mhm.
Use some tape.
The ghetto. Talking about the ghetto.
I'm from the ghetto.
Let's take this one.
Right there.
You know, where the tape at? Why can't you do
We're
that?
gonna write 2023 right here.
I'll take blue.
Alright.
Wait.
I think I should write black on here. That sounds a little racist.
Yeah, it's Black Panther. Yeah.
What other things do you like, Quincy? I could draw you a picture.
Pizza.
Ooh, let's draw a pizza.
I know how to draw. Oh.
Come on, y'all go put my sticker on now.
Let's make the pizza
Be
box
disrespectful.
for us. Let's make a pizza box.
Now, why does it look like a Christmas tree?
They don't look like a piece of do it.
Yeah, it
Why
does.
does it look like a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Stickman. Christmas.
Stickman holding the number 100.
Oh, good job. What about his legs though? Let's put him on some pants. He has purple pants on.
100.
Hey, Key, pass me the tape, bro. Hey, Key, pass me the tape, bro.
Take.
I'll wait. Thank you.
Hey Siri.
Look up.
Ooh, we could draw like the one. Ooh, we could draw the 100 grand. 100 gram candy bar.
The $100.
Hey Siri.
Oh, yeah, go ahead and make $100 bill.
Hey Siri.
100
Hey Siri.
Hey, David, stop thinking about donuts.
candy bar.
I'll make a
Your last day.
$100 bill. I want to make a $100 bill. I might need a green.
Hey, Siri.
How you do the right green on green?
It works.
Oh, this tape gonna be bad.
What, one shot?
You me help you?
I want to make a $100 bill. I need
What else
some
can we
here.
make, Quincy King?
You thought you could
Can I sit right here?
I made one.
Mommy, can I sit right here for a minute? I'm just gonna make a $100 bill.
Oh yeah, I think I'm doing it wrong.
Oh, y'all done fixed the tape. Oh my God. Lord bless the Lord. God is good.
All the time.
You know it's bad.
Come on now. Come on now, tape. Do what you're supposed to do.
So.
That was made kind of fat.
Good job.
I'm just gonna make one.
Hey, y'all put my sticker on. Hey, hold on.
Can improvise with
Let's
this.
do it.
Hold on. Hey, peep the sticker. Hold on.
Do it.
Y'all see the sticker?
See, like a tree. Okay.
Oh my God. Y'all so aggravating.
Do
I worked too hard on that sticker. It looks like a tree, don't it?
Yes. Don't judge
I need
yourself.
you to make this to a sticker.
Oh, you say don't judge yourself?
You don't judge yourself.
By the tree. Okay, what is this?
Yeah. It just starts showing the 100. People celebrate.
100.
Okay.
Good, Quincy.
Give me the tape,
They made a
Give me the tape,
big one after they stuff.
That look good. I say
This is a
100.
little
I know
decoration.
exactly what that say. And it's green like money.
Why you put 110?
Maybe we should make a tree. Make a tree.
Why you put
Oh, yeah,
110?
No.
tree.
Okay, not a tree. I meant to say
No,
a
that
school.
wasn't
Let's make
100.
a
That's
school.
100.
How?
So we could draw
This
like.
one backwards.
Okay, so this is how it turned out. His little school right here and stickers. Very cute. All right, Queenie. Oops, I don't knock my glasses off my face, child. All right, Queenie babies. I'm gonna go ahead and close today's video out. And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I may pick up the camera and continue vlogging tomorrow, or I may just go ahead and close this out for the time being and see y'all in the next video. If I do, make sure you hit make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to hit that
Notification bells.
so you don't miss the beat with the Warren vlogs.
Very interesting tonight.
Coming up next on Qweenjwarren TV. Okay guys, so this is the flooring. This is the flooring. So he did the flooring all the way around. It's the flooring. I need to get some pictures to hang up right there, and then I may do like a family tree, like family photos right here. So he gotta just finish his drywall. He also ran the flooring into the bathroom. And then he added this wall. Closed off this entry, added this wall.
Every time my arm gets out on me, dog.
Yeah, because you ain't got the strength. You got to hold yourself up, basically. That's why I said you need a machine. You stretched out kind of far, but go ahead. Yep. Now dip.
Is that right?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Bad little flex. She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.